Okay, let me zoom in a little bit so that you can see my face clearly. All right, zoom in a little bit. Okay. So which one should we start first? Okay, let's talk about the gold first, all right? Wow. Okay, strong move. All right, so, oh, yeah, no problems. I will cover that. Yeah, no worries. I will cover that. Okay, so first thing, okay, well, let's start from the gold, all right? Today is 217 September 19th, okay? And uh, so yeah, things our last webinar is already passed for 1 week. Okay, let's see what's happening. Okay, so gold. Okay, let's go down the chart. As I mentioned in my trading view, right, and we saw a gap, right? We saw a gap in the gold at 1348 or 1350. I can't remember. Let's go back to check. Yeah, should be somewhere here, right? There's a gap, yeah. But I think FXCM just replaced the gap. Okay, it's actually a gap, breaks down at about 1343. Okay, so the last week I'm waiting for the pullback to short the gold. However, it didn't really give the much of the pullback that I want, so I don't short the gold. Okay, but I do find a place to short gold at here, about 130, 1334. Okay, this level. Why? Because let's go back to 1 hour chart and I will tell you why. Okay, you see here. This will be a very good lesson. Okay, so okay, you can watch my screen. All right, so the gold has a gap here. This is a gap. Okay, this is a gap. Break down sideways a little bit and breaks down again, and pull back here and breaks another new low. All right, so the lower low has been created, the lower high has been created, and then the price rallied very strong all the way to the same place here. Okay, can you see that, guys? Can you see that? So we firstly identify, or we break the separate waves. Okay, you must need to divide the whole movement into separate swings. Okay, so what did the gold do? Okay, let me mark with the red pen. So the gold, okay, gaps down, okay, sideways, a first lower low, okay, pulls back, okay, a lower high, another drop, lower low, okay, all right, and then pulls back almost to the equal high. We call equal high, right? Equal high. Okay, so here, guys, if I ask you to short right after this bar, do you have problems? Or I tell you we can short based on the structure here. Let me just mark the structure. Okay, it's here. Why this is structure? Or why do I draw in this way? Can you tell the meaning? Because firstly, this is the lowest point is actually the lowest price of this gap, right? So in this candle we can tell there's support, right? There's still support. The support has been breakdown, okay? And pulls back, we found that this place has become what? Can you see that change? Right? Reply me. Do you see the change? So we have support, support breaks down, created a lower low, pulls back, and then you found that the support becomes what? Become resistance, right? And which candle confirm this is resistance? It's actually this candle, okay? These beautiful red bars all the way goes down, tells you, okay, buyers, buyers, boom, no more buyers, okay? And then buyers try it again, okay? However, what do you think here? Which one is in control, sellers or buyers? Which one in control? Can you see that? The sellers is taking control, right? Because sellers are pushing the price lower, lower, lower highs, okay? So, this is actually a very nice place to short gold at when the price pulls back to 1,333, okay? You can short there, and if you take a short, where is your stop loss? Guys, where should it be your stop loss? Can you reply me? Yeah, we just do a review of the past chart so that you can actually learn something and to put in the front, well, or in the live chart looks like this or similar way, right? We know that lower highs, okay, boom, breaks down, pulls back, but you don't be played with this rally because it didn't really breaks high, and we know that this place has become the controlling point of the seller. All right, so if we short, you can just place your stop loss above this, right? Yes, exactly, right? You can have your stop loss about 1,338, okay? And guess what? And if you short, you make money, right? It's very nice short, pullback, structure pullback short, and keeps going down, right? Lower lows all the ways, okay? Breaks new low, okay, what's the other opportunity? If you learn my webinars or you learn my strategies in the trading view or you learn my full course, guys, here, can you identify another shorting opportunities here? Can you see that? If you missed this one, what can give you here, right? There's another pulls back, right? Still the same logic, okay? We have support, right? Pink bar represents support. Another bar here, also support. But look at this one, breaks down, creates a lower low, okay? So whenever a lower low is created, which means the trend is, right, it's following. The trend is continuation. So you should be selling at here, pull back 1,318, okay? And your stop loss will be maybe $2 above, and can still catch another almost 100 pips, right? Yes, you're right, B. Okay? And then today, what's the gold doing today, guys? No, you shouldn't be worried about the big pink bar. You mean this one? You mean this one, right? Yes, the pink bar or this pink bar telling you that there's buyers. However, the trend change or not? No. Okay? So if the pink bar cannot change the trend, you shouldn't be worried about that, right? So today, what the gold is doing is totally what? It's actually a sideways market, right? Sideways. So you know that it's either after a long down bearish trend, then a sideways. What can happen? There are two scenarios, right? Two scenarios. One, after the sideways, it actually breaks a higher high, okay? So it may flip up. So this is the first scenario. What's the second? What's the second scenario? Can you tell me? Typically, what do you see in all the past charts or past years. Okay, we know that after downtrend, sideways, then another is breaking down, right? Still continue a lower lows. Okay, so either way, up or down. So right now, gold is at a sitting in a location, right? The low is about 1305. The high is about 1310. Okay. So guess, what's your opinion? Up or down? Up or down? Do you think? You know that 2 days? No, I think the Fed is already having the FOMC meeting, and they're going to announce it in I think 1 day, 2, yeah, less than 2 days, right? It's actually on Thursdays, 2 a.m. in Singapore. So yeah, so after another day, we have the FOMC meeting, and we know that the Fed is not going to hike the rate. So it's actually a good news for the gold, right? So at here, what you should looking for is, you see here, the gold all the way drops from 1,355 all the way to 1,305. Okay, already dropped 500 pips, right? And look left here. Here in this part, what do you see? We saw a structure for the gold is actually the last time when the gold pulls back to 1,300 and we bought it here, right? So, and the gold continued to make a higher high. The overall uptrend actually starts from here, okay? Starts from this structure, right? So we know that, yes, okay, there are some buyers waiting here to buy the gold, and it tells us, yes, there are buyers, okay? So we can assume that there's a support here, okay? And if the gold cannot penetrate, what will happen? If the gold cannot make lower low, okay, consolidation, right? But always cannot push lower. It actually may rise up, okay? So this will be opportunities for this week, maybe, right? And I'm because we are focusing on buy low, sell high, okay? Buy low, sell high. Right now, I will consider this place or this location is actually considered a low. It's a low location. Why? Because in the left, there are some supporting area who are still working, right? We know that when the support is working, the price may not go beyond that. So the price may finding some support and flips up, okay? So this is low and this will be high, okay? So we find some low and we're aiming for the high to sell, okay? In May, the gold may eventually fill the gap, okay? It may fill the gap. Understand? Okay, give me 6 if you understand. So this is a logic that how you determine a low, how you determine a high by looking in the big chart, determining the location, right, from 1,350 to 1,305, and you see some structure that has been hold the price. It's holding, okay, it's holding. So you can consider this as a low. So don't short when the price is low. Short the price when it goes too high. Okay? Yes, very good. So, and looking here, guys, let's go to 30 minutes charts. I want to teach you something because this is how you can make money, right? Do you see any changes at the last 3 bars? Or do you see some different things? The third last bar here. What did the gold do? It actually breaks up a little bit, right? Let's put a resistance here. Okay, you will see clearer. So this will be a previously as a resistance, okay, so structure support, structure resistance, rejection, but for this candle, it actually breaks out and another candle stays above that, right? Although this candle, the price comes back again, however, if you apply this 0.618 level, what can you find out is, okay, let me ask you, if the gold tonight, if the gold pulls back to 1,306.91, are you going to be a buyer or seller? Right? Very good. Very good. You'll be a buyer, right? Because we know that after so many times, cannot breaks the lower low and flips up, goes a low, higher high. This is the first higher high, okay? And the price pulls back. Typically, when it pulls back to 618 level, so this structure will become so important for you to buy, okay? For you to buy, right? That's it. So this may be our final trading setups for today, okay? And another reason that I'm bullish on the gold is, let's look at the dollar yen, because we know that dollar yen and the gold are negatively correlated. Okay, so look at the dollar yen. Dollar yen today, we catch a short about 111.78, I think, 78. The reason is simple, right? Because the dollar yen pulls back to the 618 level as well. Okay, it's 111.75. Look at here. And as the thing I teach you guys, right? We have a very nice pin bar here. Okay, this is a pin bar here, testing the 618 level, right? Okay, testing the 618 level, and you can short after the pin bar, right? So, and now you have about 44 like 20 pips or something, okay? So we know that the dollar yen may high likely to be rejected here. The dollar yen may goes down to 110. So yes, the gold is maybe goes up, right? So it's actually correlated, right? So gold, I think we have our plan, which is if 1,305 is hold, which means doesn't make any lower low again, and your stop loss is below the 1,304, you're okay to buy. You can even start to buy now, all right? Because it did actually has a breakout and pull back, okay? See here, see the long wick here, right? Okay, of course, if you wait for 0.618, that will be better. However, from the structure-wise, I can tell is it really actually breaks out and pulls back. If this 30 minutes maintained below above 1,308, you can consider to buy, and your stop loss should be just below this 1,306. Okay, and you are aiming for a reversal to 1,014 first here. And your second target will be 1,320 and even higher. Okay, maybe 1,320 will be a reasonable place. Okay, so this may be a buying opportunities for the gold. Okay, any questions for the gold, or who are trapped, or who have make any other trades, but you are not you don't know what's happening or what's going on. I'm thinking the gold may take a reversal from this place. Okay, so buy the gold if the 1,304 is hold. Okay, and aim for higher. Cool. Okay. Let's go to euro dollar. The euro dollar actually today just give a nice shorting place. Okay, at 1.1995, which we mentioned the last week as well. Okay, so last week we are looking for we have catched a very nice drop from 1.2060, right? Do you remember this pin bar? And right, it's actually moved 200 pips. Okay, so right now it actually testing the 618 level again and being rejected here. You see that? 1 pin, 2 pin, 3 pin. Okay, retest, pulls back, boom, goes down. Pulls back again, but cannot goes above 1.20. Okay, so it's time to short euro. Okay, if you believe that the dollar maintains strength and this structure becomes so strong for the sellers. Okay, you can short the euro here. Okay, and your stop loss may be above the 0.786. So maybe you give another 40 pips risk and trying to aim for bearish. Okay, so this is something for the euro. Okay, because you see here the buyers trying, failed. Okay, another trying, if also can fail, it goes down. Okay, so 1.1994 is very important for the euro. If the euro takes a very strong moves up, close above 1.20, then you may be careful. Okay, you may want to consider to take stop loss. However, if the euro stops here, it just gives you a very nice entry to short. Okay, let's go to sterling. Sterling, I'm thinking that previously there's a very nice area that we want to buy. Okay, it's actually here, about 1.3150 in the last week. Okay, why? Because here, if you see this structure breakout trade, you will be able to catch it. Okay, this is a structure. Okay, keeps rejecting the sterling and boom, flies up, pulls back, not yet touched. Okay, pulls back again, and here a strong sell off first, and then take a rally, right? And then the sterling just keeps continue going up to 1.36. But look at the weekly chart. Okay, look at the weekly chart. It actually for the sterling already filled the gap, or somehow, okay, it's filled the gap here. So it's not wise to still buying sterling at this level. If you want to buy sterling, you must wait for the pullback to here, to the weekly pin here. Okay, don't buy it right now. Okay, and let's go for 1 hour chart. You see the sterling has making a top here, breaks down, pulls back another 4, pulls back again another 4. Right now it's actually no direction, sideways. It's sideways. Okay, and today if you are using harmonic patterns in 30 minutes charts, you should be able to catch this buy here. Okay, which I actually made a tutorial here in the afternoon with my China students. Okay, so this is potential buy, and after the rally, there's a 5 minutes chart. There's another 618 buying opportunities which should be here. So guys, I want you guys to remember these patterns. Okay, so you see a bearish trend, but a strong rally. Okay, so this is a first drop. Okay, first drop. If the price make a second drop, okay, but cannot close below the low, and look at here, it's a reversal pattern here, and it's always good to buy the 618, okay, which is 1.3483 here. And some of my students who are trading with me in Shanghai, they actually did the trade and they make a very nice long from 1.3483, and their target is 1.3507, and the second target I straight away tell them will be here, 1.3536, okay, which will be this area, because that is the starting point of the fall, okay, this drop. Okay, so let's check. Okay, boom, first target hit. Okay, another pulls back almost to 618 level again. So if you didn't enter here, there are chances that you can enter here, and then it just flies up and boom, second target hit, right? So this is a very nice trade within just 2 hours. 1.3483 to 1.3537. Okay, so almost 80 to 35, yeah, almost 50 pips. Okay, and then the GBP just falls. Okay, see here, and right now it pulls back again. Okay, so overall it's still a sideways market for sterling. Okay, however, since the 1.3470, this place has been tested. So when the GBP falls to here again, I won't want to buy. I don't want to buy again, right? In 1 hour chart, if you really want to buy the GBP, you may consider here, I think will be very reasonable place, which is 1.3405 to 1.3380, okay? If the price come to here, then it may be supported and the price may goes up, okay? So buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, remember that. You want to sell high, okay. Sell high when the price goes back to near 1.36 to here, to this range, okay? Because that is starting point of the breakdown. So you want to sell high, must wait for the price to go back, and you can use harmonic patterns for you to short high, because we can identify this bad pattern here, right? Okay, this is a bearish bad pattern, tells you, yeah, same thing, 1.36007. Okay, if you want to short, okay, focus on the bad to sell high. Okay, all right, let's go to dollar yen. We covered. Some people ask me to check Aussie yen. Okay, so what happened to Aussie yen is, all right, the answers is I'm looking for a short. Okay, you can see here, this is the first try, this is second try, this is third try, but cannot close above 89.40, right? And right now, the Aussie yen makes a double top, breaks the neckline, it's actually pulling back. You can even short right now, okay? You can short Aussie yen right now, and aiming for a big fall to 87.80 at least. Okay, so this is very quick trade. You see here, the neckline was broken, now pulling back, short. Okay, you can short. Stop loss above 89.40. Anyway, it's just 30 pips. So if you are willing to take this 30 pips risk, you can do it, right? If you short one lot, then it will be about $300 risk. If you short 0.1, that will be $30 risk. Our sterling yen, okay. Sterling yen, okay. It's sideways market, all right. But I don't want to use short sterling yen because GBP is maybe the strongest in the major pairs right now, okay. Because euro sterling falls a lot, GBP Aussie goes up, GBP yen goes up, GBP Canada goes up. So GBP will be the strongest. So don't short sterling yen, okay. Don't short sterling yen, right. If you want to wait to buy, wait for here to buy 148. That will be your attacking for the buyers. 148, looking for a buy. Right now, don't short, don't buy because it's sideways, right? Sideways. So yeah, if you want to short the yen pairs, maybe Aussie yen or Canada yen are good, okay to short. I will want to touch Canada yen for. I want to raise attention for the Canada yen. Look at it here. The Canada yen just reached the weekly resistance area, which will be here. Okay, you see here on 2015 December 7th, the Canada yen has a very strong sell from 91.489. So the Canada yen has already complete retesting this place. Okay, and look at the candle pink bar in the last week. This week, another pin, and the high is getting lower. So this is telling you that you can short Canada yen if the 91.50 is held as resistance. You can short. Okay, and Canada yen may all the way goes back to here and even lower. Okay, either way could make this happen is firstly when dollar yen strongly sell. Secondly, when dollar CAD goes up. All right. So this might be a very good opportunities for the Canada yen I want to highlight to you guys, okay? Canada yen, sell high will be possible, okay? Sell high, focus on taking profit at this 82 or maybe 80. Okay. Let's talk about the Aussie dollar. Okay. Aussie dollar, if you read my post today, you can actually take a short at this pullback about 0.80, 0.7999. Okay. So this will be a strong sell place for the Aussie dollar. Okay. You can see here rally. Okay. It breaks down, rally up, but it cannot go higher. Your stop loss will be above the pain, above the high 0.8034. And right now it's being rejected. Okay, so I think the Aussie is okay to short because it's lower high created, lower low created. Okay, the Aussie we want to short. Okay. Let's go for the Kiwi. Okay, Kiwi dollar is doesn't have much move for this whole week. Okay, we can see here. I want to highlight you guys with this ping. So this ping telling you that the 0.7340 is very strong resistance here. Okay, yeah, bye-bye. Yeah, no, not seeing to you guys. Okay, it's my colleagues. See you. Okay, so what can we tell is, okay, this is the initial point for the sellers. Comes here, just rejected, comes here, rejected. So you can sell Kiwi as long as 0.7340 is holding as a resistance. Okay, so you are taking a short for all the way down to the other side of the range. Okay, your stop loss will be just maybe 0.7360. Okay, so that will be a thoughts for the Kiwi dollar. Okay, sell high. Okay, if the break up 0.7350, you may find place to long. Okay. Let's mention for the Euro Yen, this is actually a very beautiful trade that we caught today. If you read my trading view, I posted, right? I posted when I telling you that in 1 hour chart, I found out this breakout. Okay, raise your hand. Who trade this Euro Yen short? Anyone trade the Euro Yen short for today? Yeah, give me some response. Okay, Edward Bay. Okay. Okay, Shafrating. Okay, good. Congratulations. So again, this is a very nice pattern. I want you guys to remember. Okay, a strong rally. Okay, ping bar, doji, and then break out. Okay, it's actually a reversal, right? It's a reversal pattern and followed by a pullback. So you can short the pullback here. That is my idea. If you take a short here, stop loss about there. And you can see the reward almost immediately, right? 133.90. Okay, it did hit the 133.90, and my target, your first target will be here. Okay, at the origin of the bullish bar. Okay, boom, first target hit, right? Boom, another second target is hit. Okay, so this is a very nice trade. Okay, 90 to 36. Okay, 44 pips right after you short. Okay, and right now it's pulling back. Okay, what can you do? You can use this double top. Use this as a neckline. Okay, find a 618 short again. Okay, you can short that again if you like to. Okay, for me, I think I already take some profit and just let run my other positions. Okay. Okay, let's talk about dollar CAD. Okay, for the dollar CAD, it's actually making a bottoms already. Okay, this is a strong sell after the Canada raised the rates and forms a very wide range. And here, there's a buying opportunity here, which is a Gardy pattern here. Okay, and then price goes higher, pulls back. Look at it here. You can buy from here, which is a 618 pullback. Okay, you see that? This is a perfect perfect double 2618 trade, right? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Pulls back 618, 1.2129. You buy from here. First target hit. Okay. Second target, which will be the 1.27 extension. If you learn my course, you should know about that. Let's just check whether it actually hit the, yes, it hits, right? Complete the bullish target. Okay, first target, second target. Okay, so now the cat is sideways, and forms a double top, right? If you want to take short, that would be a quick short. Okay, so you are looking for a sell if this pin cannot be closed above, and now it's actually somehow looks like a double top, but I won't trade this as a double top because this is still a very nice, very strong bullish bar. Okay, I want to buy the pullback, and the price pullback to here, to this area. Okay, so wait for the price to pull back to here, which will be about 1.2 to 34, maybe. Okay, wait for the price to come back to here. Yeah, 2 to 40 to buy. Okay, find a pullback to buy the dollar CAD. Okay, let's go to SPX 500. Okay, so the S&P goes up, breaks new high. Okay, of 2480, it breaks new high here. So after the breaking out, no more sellers. Okay, don't short when new high is created because it just keeps going up. Okay, but you see here the S&P keeps going up. Do you really want to buy the high? No. So probably you may be looking for drop, pull back to this place to 2476. That would be a good idea to buy. Right now, you don't buy the high. Okay, focus on buying low. Okay, but you don't want to short because it's still too strong. Okay, so I may not touch S&P for the recent weeks because it's really, keeps going up. You don't know when the correction may happen, right? Okay, for short-term wise, today looks like okay. Let me just give you a question, guys. What do you see for this pattern? Is this similar to the Euro Yen trade? Can you remember this pattern? Can you remember this pattern? I just need to compare it with the Euro Yen. Do you think it looks like the same? Here. Do you think these two things looks the same? Raise your hand if you agree. See the Euro Yen? Up, sideways, all the way come back. Pulls back, short, right? And doing nice. How about S&P? The same thing, goes up, sideways, boom. And right now it's pulling back, right? Same thing, right? So if you want to short, yes, just trade it. I mean, with a stop loss about 2508. If it is stop loss was hunt, then just exit. But if it's never hit your stop loss, you may catch a very big fall to 2,500, right? At least. Okay, so it's the same pattern. It's whether you want to trade it or not. Okay. Okay. Do you know the patterns? Okay. Up, sideways, bone, all the way goes back. Okay. Pulls back, short. Short here. 2506. Right. Today I already give you quite a sum of trades, right? Yeah. Looks a sell for me. It's a reasonable sell. Sell here, stop loss there, and your target maybe 1-2 times of the risk. That's it. All right. Okay. So I think 40 minutes has passed, and it's really a quick, very quick review on all the pairs. Yeah. And don't forget that we have FOMC meetings coming in. So just trade with care, okay? Don't overtrade, okay? Wait for the news. Wait for the news to to happen, and you start to trade, looking for directions, okay? But I want to highlight you guys. Oh yeah, forgot about the Sterling Aussie, right? We have a very nice buy in the last week, Sterling Aussie, okay? That is a monster trade here. Yeah, we bought from 1.26. Remember, that is a beautiful trade. We're using the harmonic patterns and the 1.61 extensions, and we see an engulfing candle here. We buy from 1.62 and all the way ready to 1.70. Okay, finish the target. Okay, so which is about 800 pips. Okay, Sterling Kiwi will be the same thing, because Sterling Aussie and Sterling Kiwi just move the similar ways. Okay, you see here, strong rally. Okay, but don't buy right now. It's actually forming a small top. If you want to buy, wait for the price to come back to 1.83 to buy. Wait for it drops to here to buy. Don't sell. Okay, good. So yeah, that's all for today. Okay. For newcomers or for new traders, if you want to learn something about trading, you can consider to go to my website. You go to training videos and go to YouTube, okay? You go to YouTube and you can see all my past webinars in my YouTube, okay? Yeah, okay? And you can consider to learn my course as well, right? Because I will teach you 5 things that can help you in trading, okay? 6 skills, right? And the audience here, some of from my students. And I just finished a talk in last week in Singapore. We have a live sharing session to Singapore audience. And it seems that my courses are quite popular, and it's really all my stuffs are combined here, all my strategies, okay? You can see all my strategies here, okay? And I will teach you one by one, okay? So plan your trade and trade your plan. That's all. Thank you, guys. That's end of this our webinar. Okay. Pay attention to my TradingView updates. Okay. If you like to chat with me personally, okay, join my students group so you can send me any messages. I will just reply you. Okay. So see you next time. Bye bye. Not every Thursday 10 p.m. Normally I will make my webinar every week, okay? But some I will try to make it on Monday or Tuesday. Sometimes if I'm too busy or I'm flying from travel between China and Singapore, I may miss one, okay? So normally it will be Monday or Tuesday evening, okay? Yeah. Okay, hope you like it. Thank you. Bye-bye. I will upload the recording to the YouTube right now, okay? So you can watch the recordings in maybe about 30 minutes time. Thank you. See you. Bye-bye.